Hello, kids! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone. Today we are going to have so much fun drawing and coloring superhero masks. We've got some of our favorite heroes: Gekko, Catboy, Owlette, Spider-Man, Spider-Gwen, and even Black Spider-Man. Lizard Cafe Cell Spider. It's going to be a super adventure, so get your pencils and crayons ready. Let's begin. Let's start with Gekko. First, draw a round shape for his face. Add two big round eyes and a small smile. Step by step, our Gekko mask is coming to life. Now let's color Gekko. Make the leaf crest a darker green. Use bright green for his whole mask. His eyes stay white with green outlines. Wow, Gekko looks amazing, ready to climb walls and save the day. Next, let's draw Catboy. Start with a circle for his face. Add two tall cat ears on top. Don't forget the markings on his forehead. They make Catboy look like a real superhero. Time to color Catboy. Use blue for the whole mask and a darker blue for the stripes on his forehead. His eyes are white with light blue details. Now Catboy looks brave, fast, and ready to leap into action. Now let's draw Owlette. Start with a rounded face shape. Add 2 big eyes and her owl-shaped mask design. Now add her owl wings above the mask to make her look extra powerful. Step by step, Owlette's mask is ready. Let's color Owlette. Her eyes are white with black outlines. Use red for the whole mask and a darker red for the wing details. Wow, Owlette looks strong, smart, and ready to fly into the night sky. Now, let's move to Spider-Man. Start with an oval shape for his head. Add 2 big raindrop-shaped eyes. Now draw web lines, first across, then down, to make the spider web design. Step by step, our Spider-Man mask looks real. Time to color Spider-Man's mask. Use red for the whole face. Leave the eyes white with a bold black outline. Now trace the web lines with black. Awesome! Spider-Man looks ready to swing through the city. Next, let's draw Spider-Gwen. We start with an oval face shape. Add her long, sharp eyes, different from Spider-Man's. Now add some spider web designs around her mask. Wow, doesn't it look stylish already? Now let's color Spider-Gwen. Her mask stays mostly white. Around her eyes, we'll use light pink and purple shades. The web lines get pink too. Wow, Spider-Gwen's mask looks amazing, stylish and powerful at the same time. Finally, let's draw the black Spider-Man mask. Start with a round head shape again. Add 2 large white eyes, bigger and sharper this time. Then sketch the web lines across his mask, just like Spider-Man's. Now let's color black Spider-Man. Fill the whole mask with black. The eyes stay white with a bold outline. The web lines can stay dark gray or lighter to stand out. Wow, Black Spider-Man looks powerful and mysterious, ready for action in the shadows. And that's it, kids. Today we drew and colored 6 amazing superhero masks: Gekko, Catboy, Owlette, Spider-Man, Spider-Gwen, and Black Spider-Man. They all look so cool and powerful. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to Kiddo Adventure Zone for more awesome drawing and coloring adventures. Until next time, keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends.